Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how Prodigy leaked every single mythical epic. But before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by May, so let's just get into the video. So Prodigy hasn't really leaked them all, but they have shown us what they're going to look like. We don't know like the color schemes that they're going to have, but if you go here, you can see all of them. For some reason they have not blown up Daviday yet, but here you can see that what the mythical epics are going to look like. So this is what the eclipse is going to look like. Not sure what this is called. This is an aura, I'm pretty sure. Not sure what this is going to be, but it's supposed to be like Flora Fox. The other one is Big Hex, and the one after that is a Titus one. Not sure what they're going to be called, but they have shown us like what they're going to look like. So yeah, that is one reason, or one way that they have leaked the mythical epic, kind of. And then we are going to go to the other ones. This is the icon for Eclipse. So this is what it's going to look like. This is found, I will leave the link in the description so that you can see it. And then there is also, and I put this in wrong, let me get back to it. So all you have to do is just like put this in, like, see, this one won't work, but if you put in 170, then you can get to the picture of Aura. So yeah, this is what Aura is going to look like. And then the other thing that they show for, or that they leak the mythical epics, kind of, is they show you what the next mythical epic is going to be. We are here on the Prodigy page, on the mythical epics part of Prodigy, and if you go down, it shows that Eclipse is going to be the next mythical epic, or whatever Eclipse's thing is going to be called. You can't press on it. You can press on Eclipse, and it will, or you can't press on Eclipse, but if you press on Chill and Chart, it'll send you to the Prodigy game. We don't know what the next one's going to be, but it's probably going to be Aura, which will come in April. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the mythical epics just so that you can, like, see what they look like a little more. So as you can see, they look like, or Flora Fox looks like it's going to have a bigger tail. This looks like it's going to be a little more gem-like, and not really anything different that I can see in that. It's probably going to have different colors, which is pretty much it. So yeah, those are the leaked mythical epics that Prodigy has put into the game unknowingly, kind of, or they let everyone know what the mythical epics are going to look like in some way. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, as I said in the beginning, and bye.